Welcome to another Release0 tutorial. In this short video, we are going to integrate Release0 with Perplexity LLM model. To integrate Perplexity with your agent, you'll need a Perplexity account with API access. We will start with a new agent, so we're going to click on Create New Agent, and then we're going to use the option Build from Scratch. Now we're going to select Text Dialog Box. This is going to allow us to welcome the user and prompt the user to enter his question for Perplexity model. Now we're going to drag a text user input block. This is going to be the text area where the user is going to add his questions. And we're going to create a variable where those questions are going to be saved. In this case, it's going to be called user input. Now we are ready to drag our Perplexity integration box. Once we drag the box, we click on Add Perplexity Account, and we will be taken to the Perplexity API creation key. We just click on Create New Key, and we can copy the new key, and we will paste it on our agent. For this, we will just need to add a name for our integration. And we just need to paste the key we just copied in the previous step, and this is going to connect our agent with Perplexity model. Now we select a Sonar model. This is going to be the simplest reasoning model. And now we go to Messages and select Dialogue as a message type. Now we need to add the user input box, which is the way we can collect the question from the user. And we just need to save our response into our new variable. In this case, we're going to call that variable Perplexity response. We click on Create. And now we can connect the user input with the Perplexity box. And finally, we just need to show the Perplexity response. For this, we just add a new text box that will allow us to show the Perplexity response on our agent flow. Finally, if we want to iterate with multiple questions from the user into our AI model, we can just loop back the response to the user input box in order to keep collecting user questions. Now we can test our agent by clicking on the play button. This will launch our agent test flow. Now we can ask a question. In this case, we're asking, what is the distance to the moon? We click send, and now we're connected to our Perplexity LLM agent, and we're going to obtain the answer. Since we loop back with the user input, we can keep asking questions to the agent. Well, this is a very simple example of how to integrate your Perplexity AI model into your Release0 agent.